out again. Yeah. And we're up on the Bewcastle Fells. Obviously my last two camps I've done in the lake, so I decided this time come back up onto the Bewcastle Fells. Well, I am the border Rambler, so this is the borderlands. So it's not a bad afternoon, Friday afternoon. A few days off work, so it's going to be a quick overnighter because I've got to be back sharp in the morning. Got to take the boy running dinner time tomorrow, so it's just a quick overnighter. But the forecast's for a dryish one, even though it looks a bit overcast there. It was spitting when I come in the car, but I think this is supposed to blow over and it's supposed to get out and be a lovely night. How many times have I said that? So I've brought the decent camera with us, and we're hoping might get some clear shots of the sky tonight, but fingers crossed. But let's just crack on, eh? So yeah, I didn't speak too soon. There's a lot of rain shower coming through. You can see it over there. Hopefully it'll just pass over. Passing showers, he says. Well, I'm glad I carry it with us. Managed to poke my hand on the barbed wire. I tucked into the woods to get out the rain. There was a bloody big heavy rain shower come. So I took to the woods, trying to cross this fence with a pack. Bad idea. Slipped and just nicked my hand. It's not too bad, but yeah. The little kit done its job. So I'm patched up. Rain stopped, and we're going to carry on up. Just stumbled into this little cutting. Perfect little pitch there for a tent, but I'm wanting views tonight. Hopefully a bit of a sunset, so need to go a bit higher up. Crack on. Right, so yeah, let's take a detour. When I was on the track before, obviously the forestry are doing a lot of work up there, so they've put some signage up so you can't pass. So this is why I've come through the woods this way. Bit of a detour to avoid where they're working, but obviously it has its hazards. But yeah, the sun's out now, so let's get cracking on. Some big shrooms. Cleared up a bit now. Just going to get a bit of height. Pretty quiet up here. Well, that's got us puffing a bit. Bit of a climb. Crispy crags in the sunshine over there. But, we're heading further up here. Looking straight across the Lake District. Probably about 40 miles away from here, as the crow flies. Right, there we go, looking over Carlisle. It's all the way further under the cloud, and around is Scotland, and my camera doing a time lapse. See you soon. Right, we're up at Long Crag, a windy Long Crag. It's about 486 metres here. Some great views across the Criffle and across to the lakes. Whether this camera picks up or out is very much. But stunning views. Now I could camp up here somewhere, but farmer quad bike tracks, so obviously he's active up here. I don't really want to be just plonking the tent down and peeing the farmer off, so I'm going to head a little bit further up, and if I get the other side of the wall, I don't think he farms that side because there's no sheep on that side, so I'll be alright. But I don't know if this camera picks it up. Right in the valley there, there's a little cottage. I'm going to check that out on the map after and see what it is. So we're looking across the Spade Adam forest over there. Right, I'm up onto the Brunt Crags. There's a bit of a location just here. Not too bad, I've got some rocks sort of giving us a bit of shelter. It's a sort of northwesterly wind blowing across. It is clearing up nicely. So I'm going to have a little wander, see if there's any better places to pitch. Obviously this is my location if I can't find anywhere, so let's have a crack on. Right, it's a bit of a change of plan. I'm on Brunt Crags, there's nowhere to pitch, so I'm going to head back over here. I've been across here before, Slaty Crag. I'll have another look here. I need to get somewhere sheltered out the wind, because yet again the wind's savage and that clear skies will be bloody bitter. So I'm running out of time as well. It's going to get dark in, well, 45 minutes, so I better crack on. Right, found somewhere to put the tent eventually. Yeah, it's the sunset. Just dropping now. Being buzzed by a military aircraft for the last hour on the Crags. Big Hercules. Yeah, I want to get some tea on soon because I haven't made out yet. I'm getting a bit hungry. The problem with the wind. I wouldn't like it. I just got the little stove today. Maybe a bad idea. Stuck with the sun here. Too windy. Right, we're back in the tent now. We've had some to eat. The wind's, it's not terribly bad. It was a lot worse when I was up on Blake Fell a few weeks ago. So I've got some good photographs, I'm hoping. I think I've got a shot of the Milky Way. We'll see better when I get home. I've got the cameras out now doing some time lapses, so I'll bring those in an hour or two's time. I'm not leaving them out overnight like so. But I'm just going to listen to a bit of music, have a drink and a bite to eat, so I'll catch you later. Right, that's it for tonight. Just going to get a bit of sleep now. Try. The wind's not too bad, it's a bit blowy, but it always picks up for the camera. We'll catch you in the morning. Out for now. was a bit of a rough night. Not wind wise, just sleep wise. I must have picked the worst pitch possible. Sliding into the flipping side of the tent constantly all night. I didn't realise obviously when I put it up. Obviously you're laid on top of the heather stuff. It's all softened down, and I've took a dive towards the end of the side of the tent. So I've spent all night fighting with the mattress. Anyhow, let's get a cuppa on. It's pretty cold out there. I've just had a quick look out. There's frost on the tent, so it's fresh. Okay. Right, this is all packed up. Got most of my stuff packed away, just got the tent to put away. Yeah, not a bad morning. Bitterly cold up here though, bitterly cold. Right, let's crack on. Right guys, that's just packed up. See where the tent was. Then the frost off swept that off. But yeah, just a quick overnighter. I'll have to get back down. Head back home. Jobs to do. Right. Catch you in a minute. Right, that's us nearly back to the car. So, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and the like button, and we'll catch you next time. Out for now.